FlipShare software, preloaded onto every Flip camcorder, makes organizing, creating, and sharing your videos easy. Organizing is as easy as dragging and dropping. Getting creative is simple too. Edit your videos, make movies, or create snapshots. And when you're ready to share, FlipShare makes it incredibly easy. Email any video without worrying about file size. Your friends just click and watch. Create private Flip channels for sharing with groups of friends and family, so they can watch your Flip videos anywhere. FlipShare lets you upload your videos directly to Facebook, MySpace, YouTube, and other sites. So do more than simply capture video. Organize, create, and share with FlipShare.